Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my everyday winter makeup routine. It's pretty natural. So I already did my skincare routine. I'm going to start off with my La Roche-Posay Shake Fluid SPF 50 Good Tinted Moisturizer. Rub this all over my face. It's a very creamy, lightweight product, and that's what I like about it. And it's pretty good coverage. And I rub that everywhere, make sure it's blended. And I brought a paper towel because I'm not in the bathroom. Changed up the setting because the lighting is kind of weird, like where the skylight hits in the bathroom on my face and like with the camera. So I'm doing my makeup out here in the hallway. And what I like about this is if you want more coverage, you just add another layer on. But my skin is being very happy at the moment. I do have a few breakout scars right here that you can see. But we're gonna cover that up with concealer. I'm using the Glossier Stretch Concealer. This shade is a little bit too dark, but it's fine. I'm gonna pop that on the chin area. And the nose area is like very red. And then the under eye. A little bit on the eye. And then I just take a damp beauty blender and blend that in. I do have some redness right here too. I'm gonna go back and add some more. I don't know why. This cheek, it's like decent. Okay, we can add a little bit, but this side, there's more redness. And I need to get a lighter shade of concealer. This is in the shade G6. I need to go lighter. And I love this combination because I haven't even put highlighter on, but I feel like my skin is very fresh and dewy. And that, honestly, I have my makeup or my skincare routine to thank for that. I will leave my skincare routine and beauty routine linked down below so you guys can check that out if you want. I'm gonna go in with some highlighter though, because this dewiness isn't gonna last all day. And I just go on the highlighted points, just right here, rub on. A little bit on my eye. I was very fortunate to have my mom growing up. My mom is an esthetician. She works in a spa, so like the skincare industry. And so she taught me everything about skincare and taking care of my skin. So that's where I put the highlighter. Now, before I put on the blush, which is also cream and powder product, I'm gonna go in with some pressed powder. This is from Laura Mercier in Candle Glow Sheer Perfecting Powder in the shade 2. I'm gonna take that beauty blender and right here on the flat side, this is like my powder side. Just take that and just a little bit on the nose, basically the T-zone. Even in the winter, my forehead gets very oily, especially with the bangs. So I just want to make it less shiny. And right here, and a little bit on the under eye, whatever's left. Not a whole lot though. Now I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. Wow Brow. I think this is in dark brown. The label fell off, but I think it's dark brown. That's the shade I get. I like using a brow gel because I feel like it's more natural looking, and especially with my hair color and my skin color, I feel like if I fill in my brows, it's just too much for me. And I'm not really good at filling in my brows. I used to work at Sephora, but I was there as a holiday hire, and I was the only one they didn't keep after the holiday season because I didn't know really how to do makeup properly. So hence why I never fill in my eyebrows. I remember this girl came into Sephora once and she wanted her eyebrows filled, and I was like, oh, I think you're gonna do a better job than me. And I tried doing it and it looked so bad. Oh my gosh. Oh, but they're not even whatsoever. And that's okay. We have bangs for a reason. They're pretty decent. We're gonna go with it. Put some more powder on my eyelids because it's starting to crease because of the concealer. Up next is my favorite blush in the entire world from Seraphim Botanicals in Guava Butter. The label has been rubbed off so much. I got this last year, I think, or earlier this year. My mom gave it to me and it smells so good and it's so creamy. Just like, look how creamy that is. So it looks like a lot, but it's really not. And I go ahead and just blend that up. And you kind of play around with your other fingers in the blending. I used to do a lot of acrylic painting, so I think of blending with acrylic paints when I do this. It's to make it darker, like right here, and kind of fade out. I don't like having harsh lines. I like it to be very natural. I'm gonna go in with a little bit more right here, like the rosy cheeks areas. And then a little bit on my nose right here. I like that look because it looks like you got some sun, or the sun hits on your nose. Normally in the fall and spring, I put more blush on my nose, but since it's winter, we don't need a lot, so I just do like a little dab because my nose is naturally gonna get red. I really think blush is the key to looking more bronzed or darker in the winter time, not actual bronzer itself, because I feel like bronzer is just mostly contouring. It also depends on your skin color, but I feel like blush really makes it look like you have more color than you do. And also I think it needs to be like kind of like this blush. It's a darker, warmer tones, which is great for winter. So don't be afraid of blush. I think it's good to try out some blushes. Now I'm gonna go in with this palette from Seraphim Botanicals, Happy Hibiscus. And I really like this one. They have the blush, 2 highlighters and a bronzer, or no, 2 highlighters and a bronzer. As you can tell, I really like this bronzer. It's very natural and lightweight. I just swing it around and then I take some off on my wrist just to test out the color. And I do only a little tiny bit just to add some more definition into my face. And I go in like the 3 mark area and along my jawline. And now I'm gonna go in with that powdered blush. I almost just dropped my makeup brush. I like doing the 2 products, the blush in the cream and the powder, because since it's winter, I feel like my skin just gets dehydrated as the day goes on. So I like doing both. And this is the only product where I do cream and powder. And I just really feel like it has made a difference in my makeup. And this brush is not good for blush. This is the Laura Mercier. This is for the translucent powder. And I just don't have a lot of brushes, so I make do with what I can. Now I'm going to curl my lashes. This is the Kevyn Aucoin eyelash curler. I think this is the best eyelash curler, and if you are going to invest, and if you're going to invest in anything, I think it's this eyelash curler. It should be. Just go close to my roots. And lately I haven't been wearing mascara because it's been rubbing off on my lower like lash area, on my under eye area. There we go. And it's just been making it look like I have darker circles. So I haven't been putting on mascara because I feel like it enhances my dark circles. So I just keep curling them until they're basically like this, really, really long. And for the day, for my lips, I would normally wear, this is the Chaleur palette. Yes, I'm using my phone to record this video. This is the Chaleur, and I'm using this like darker red, but it kind of comes out like a brownish reddish tone. And I like this one because it kind of it's like a little bit darker than my lips. So that is my day makeup. It's very simple, lightweight, great for winter. And it's great for mask season because wearing a mask, why would I put on a lot more makeup, you know? If it wasn't pandemic season and I could show off my lips at night in a restaurant or in a bar, I would put on a darker lipstick. I like Camille and Jean from Rouge. These are two lipsticks that I like. And I also like mixing them. So I'm gonna take Camille. And just on top of this pink I already have, and I just kind of take my pinky and I blend out the edges. Then over that, I like to take the other Rouge palette I have. This is the powder one in Signature, and I really like this one. I'm gonna take that red and go over my lipstick. And then for a darker red, I'm gonna take this color right here, this like purple toned, just to darken it up a bit. And that is it for the day tonight. I just add some more color on my lips, and if I want to, if I feel like it, I will add some mascara, but currently all my mascaras that I have in France with me suck, and I'm in confinement, so I really don't see a point of buying a mascara right now. Thank you guys so much for watching my everyday makeup routine from like day to night. Let me know what you guys think, and also comment down below your favorite mascara because I am on the hunt for one. I really like the Rouge one, but I ran out and don't really see a point of buying one in confinement right now, so I'm probably gonna buy it in a month or so. But thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.